Make a movie of a bass on a smallmouth bass on a bed. Today is Father's Day, June 16th. And we're right out in front of our house. Oh, look at that. It's really cool. Do you see two or just one fish?
I just see one. Mike said there was two, but I don't see one.